What's up, guys? I'm Jason. This is my first video doing a 4-way bike check. All these beauties, all my friends over there. So we're gonna start with mine. It is a Kink Gap Complete, but a little bit different parts. We have the Kink Alpha grips and gum, ODI bar ends, because the Kink Alpha bar ends are stubborn and gay out. We have the Kink Human stem. Not stem, oh my god! Kink Human bars. Kink Bold stem. Top load stem. Kink Gap frame. Pretty sure these are Kink or Mission Scyther. I think they're Kink.
Yeah.
Kink Scyther forks. We got a Mission front wheel with gold grenade caps. Same thing in the back, but I have a cassette.
It's really nice.
I got Mission camouflage pedals. Forgot what these cranks are called.
Ridge.
Okay. Mission Ridge?
Yeah.
No. Mission?
No, Kink.
Kink Ridge cranks. With Mission Scyther crank.
Sprocket.
Chain. Oh my god, sprocket.
Chain is Mission.
Oh, and my cranks are 175 millimeters. And yeah, that's my bike check.
Bottom
So now-
bracket is Mission.
I
Seat.
forgot about that.
The seat is Kink Pivotal set. Fat seat with a Mission seat post.
Alright, so now onto you can film. Onto Aiden. Friend Aiden, youngest of the crew. He's sitting there eating.
Alright, I'm gonna start up here and go all the way down there, okay? Start with the grips, okay? We got ODI Softies, limited edition, yeah. Nice squishy, like something. Okay, I got my
You
Mission.
got the Oreo brake lever.
Okay, yep. Okay, and then here's my Kink.
Brake cable.
Yeah, nothing much with that. Okay, let's move on. Here's my Kink Human bars, or just Human bars. Yeah. And here's my custom wrapper.
That thing's sick. Just look at the quality colors.
Let's keep going.
His bike.
I have Kink 54 millimeter stem.
Pink.
I said Kink, not pink.
It's front load.
Front load.
You said pink.
Okay, yeah, front load. Okay. I said Kink for your information. I got my Kink launch.
Headset, boy.
Oh,
Mission.
I got my Kink launch frame.
2016.
Yeah, 20.
Summer 16.
I got my
Kenda.
Kenda tires. Yeah, just one and then
Wrong bike.
yeah. Okay. I got some Mission Echo rims. Yeah, nothing much about them. Did I say my forks?
What are your forks, Lance?
Same ones as Jason's.
Strifer
Yeah.
forks. From
And I got my AutoZone caps.
Bullet caps.
Go to AutoZone. Get
$1.
them caps, boy.
Okay. And then moving on to my seat. This is the Odyssey Galaxy Pivotal with my Kink seat post.
He ripped it a little.
Yeah.
That's huge.
Alright,
Dude,
okay.
it looks like a seat. It's like the shape of a
I'm
seat
sorry.
as well.
I got my Odyssey PCJC pedal.
No, it's JCP. Oh, whatever.
No, PCJC.
No, JCPC.
Oh yeah, JCPC. I got my Mission Triumph cranks. Yeah, I know. Alright,
China.
what?
China.
Okay, I got Mission Silent.
Cypher.
Scyther? I don't know. I actually,
What is Asylum?
I don't know. I
Mission
messed up.
change.
I didn't freaking go over this. Okay, yeah, I got
Asylum.
the Mission.
Mission whole back wheel.
No
Yeah, dude.
function.
That's
Stem.
the
no.
model. It's all Mission.
I know. Go
And then
away.
a Mission back wheel.
Okay, yeah, and then I got
And tire.
same AutoZone. Yeah. Okay,
Caps.
let's go out to Joey.
Your bike, dude.
I didn't say pink for you. I said pink.
Alright. Alright, do your bike.
Okay,
Start at the top.
so start. Start off. You should put this on your bike because your bike's trash.
Shout out to Adam LZ.
All right, so I got
Bert?
mission or kink,
I honestly don't know.
whatever. Grips, animal, bar ends. This kid put a stick in my
No, I didn't.
Verde cadet bars.
Alright, guys, stop.
A Verde cadet stamp. Stranger
Stranger front treads.
front wheel.
What did you say? Oil.
Front wheel.
Front wheel.
Front tire. Yeah. A mission front
Wheel.
rim.
Nah, the whole wheel.
And then I
Yes.
got these nice Savage blue bullet tire
Alright.
caps.
Frame.
My frame is a 2016 Verde Cadet.
Yeet. More like 2014.
What? Whatever.
Okay, I got
It is.
Odyssey
Mhm.
Twisted PC pedals, right? Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, right?
Yep.
I got Verde Cadet cranks, a
Verde bottom bracket.
Verde bottom bracket, a Shadow Conspiracy Pivotal red and black seat. I got a $2 sticker on my frame. I have no clue why. I have a animal seat post
And this is all made in China. I'm just kidding.
and for my back wheel I have a stock Verde Cadet back wheel and Stranger wheel or tire with a Verde 25-2
Sprocket.
sprocket, yeah.
He's like,
And
What the heck? I don't know that chain. I forgot.
your bike.
it's a blue
Oh, yours last.
Z something, Z chain or something, or a black.
And now we're gonna do mine.
So this is Austin. He's probably gonna be the.
Rain.
Besides me, you're mainly gonna see him, because I hang out with this guy like the most.
And
Alright, he has it. Yeah, him. Well, this is like the main crew you'll see, but you find him most of the time.
I found my
'Cause he lives
camera
right
today.
behind me.
Alright.
So
Start at the top. We got the Merit Pete Sawyer grips with Merit bar ends. These have metal inside them, so they're plastic and metal combo. Got the Kink Human bars. There's a crack.
there is a crack he ordered
S&M Foo bars, 4-piece.
in raw.
Yep. Got the Mission Control stem. I'm surprised that hasn't slipped once. Got this really expensive. Yeah,
The struggles of getting angles though.
that bolt is like $2. It's sad. Okay, the headset is some Mission ball bearing headset. It sucks. I hate it.
It's not integrated, but when he gets his new frame,
Yeah.
he'll have it integrated.
Okay, we got the Kink Lance forks.
They bet.
Yeah, right on the right dropout. But it doesn't do anything. So,
Tennis ball.
yeah, for my dog, I put it in my Haro front wheel, double walled Hypno. Okay, so on the front, my treads are the Merit Brian Foster F1 tires. These signature tires for dirt jumps.
Same in the back.
Going here, we got the Merit S1 pivotal seat with the Fiend seat post. Down here, we got the Merit S1 pedals in purple. And then the Mission Triumph cranks with
Shout out
the
to Dance Comp.
Yeah, with the mission bottom bracket, American sized. Turning the bike around, we got this Merit Pentagard sprocket, Brandon
Awesome.
Deegan's signature, and the chain is a Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain, and the back wheel is an all mission wheel. It's been holding up really well, surprisingly, and the same treads as the front, the Merit Brian Foster's. Yeah. That's my bike.
Oh god, I almost tripped over his book bag. So we might have a video a little bit after this one because we're at this church and it has a couple of good spots. They have steps over there and stuff. So we'll see you guys later.
I'll
But
hit
this
the
is
ledge.
Joey. This is Joey. He's about to hit that ledge over there. Real quick. Alright, so that's Joey, Aiden, Austin or Mark. And me, Jason.
I would hit that ledge, but I don't want to break my bars.
Smart. Alright, man. We'll see you guys later.
Yo,